Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Learning. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're learning English and want to improve your vocabulary in a natural and relaxed way, you're in the right place. It's great to be here. Today, we have a warm and special topic. We're going to talk about fathers, dads, and all the English words that people commonly use when speaking about them. That's right. Father's Day is celebrated in many countries around the world. It's a day when people thank their fathers for their love, care, support, and guidance. And even if Father's Day is not celebrated where you live, the vocabulary we'll learn today is useful all year long. You'll hear these words in conversations, movies, books, social media posts, and everyday life. By the end of this lesson, you'll know many English words related to fathers and families. You'll also learn how native speakers use these words naturally in real conversations. We'll explain the words slowly, clearly, and with lots of examples. Don't worry if some words are new. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the learning process. Before we begin, here's a question for you. What is one word that describes your father or a father figure in your life? Is he kind, funny, hardworking, patient, or something else? Write your answer in the comments. We love reading your examples, and it helps you practice your English. And if you're enjoying our lessons, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Slow English Learning. Your support helps us create more lessons for English learners around the world. All right, let's begin with our first group of Father's Day vocabulary words. The most common word is dad. This is the word many people use every day. Yes. For example, my dad is cooking dinner. My dad loves gardening. My dad taught me how to ride a bike. Another common word is father. Father is slightly more formal than dad. That's right. My father works in a hospital. My father enjoys reading books. Many people use dad in conversation and father in writing. Let's learn a few more words. Parent, guardian, provider, protector, role model. A parent is a mother or father. A guardian is someone who takes care of a child. A provider is someone who supplies food, money, or support. A protector keeps people safe. And a role model is someone you admire and learn from. Many children see their fathers as role models. Let's continue with personality words. Kind, caring, helpful, patient, gentle, responsible, honest, loyal, friendly, supportive. These are wonderful words to describe a good father. For example, my dad is very patient. My father is supportive. My dad is honest and hardworking. Now let's look at some action words. Teach, guide, protect, support, encourage, help, provide, care, listen, advise. These verbs are often connected with fathers. A father may teach his child new skills. He may guide them through difficult situations. He may encourage them when they feel nervous. Let's use some examples. My dad encouraged me before my exam. My father taught me how to swim. My dad always listens when I have a problem. Now let's talk about family relationships. Son, daughter, child, children, family, parents, grandfather, grandpa, brother, sister. These words help us talk about family members. For example, my dad and grandfather both love fishing. My father has 2 children. My dad spends time with his son every weekend. Let's learn some workplace-related words, because many fathers work to support their families. Employee, worker, manager, businessman, farmer, driver, engineer, teacher, doctor, mechanic. Of course, fathers can have many different jobs. My dad is a teacher. My father is an engineer. My dad works as a mechanic. Now let's practice. Can you make a sentence with the word father? Can you make another sentence with the word supportive? Say your answers out loud. Speaking out loud is one of the best ways to improve your English. Here's another challenge. Describe your father using 3 words. Maybe he's kind, hardworking, and funny. Or perhaps he's patient, caring, and wise. Write your 3 words in the comments. Now let's learn some words related to emotions. Love, respect, trust, pride, gratitude, affection, comfort, happiness, joy, care. These words often appear in Father's Day messages. For example, I have great respect for my father. I trust my dad. I feel gratitude for everything my father has done for me. Let's learn some words related to spending time together. Talk, share, laugh, play, travel, celebrate, visit, teach, learn, enjoy. Many favorite memories involve these actions. I enjoy spending time with my dad. My father and I love to travel together. We laughed and shared stories. Let's review some of today's vocabulary. Dad, father, parent, guardian, provider, protector, role model, kind, patient, supportive, teach, guide, encourage, love, respect, trust, family, son, daughter, grandfather. Wonderful job, everyone. You've already learned many useful Father's Day vocabulary words. In the next section, we'll learn even more words and phrases that native English speakers use when talking about dads, family memories, life lessons, and special Father's Day celebrations. Let's continue our Father's Day vocabulary lesson. In this section, we'll learn more words that people commonly use when talking about fathers, memories, life lessons, and family experiences. One important word is hardworking. A hardworking father spends a lot of time and effort doing his job and caring for his family. For example, my dad is hardworking. He always does his best. Another useful word is dedicated. Dedicated means committed to something. My father is dedicated to his family. Let's learn more personality words. Wise, strong, dependable, reliable, generous, brave, calm, understanding, thoughtful, cheerful, These words are often used in Father's Day cards and messages. For example, my dad is wise and always gives good advice. My father is dependable. I can always count on him. Let's pause for a quick question. Which of these words describes your father best? Wise? Generous? Strong? Reliable? Write your answer in the comments and try to use a full sentence. Now let's learn vocabulary related to advice and life lessons. Advice, lesson, experience, knowledge, wisdom, guidance. Example, value, principle, responsibility. Many fathers teach important life lessons. For example, my father taught me the value of honesty. My dad gave me useful advice. I learned responsibility from my father. Let's look at some common collocations. Give advice, teach lessons, set an example, earn respect, show kindness, keep promises, offer support, build confidence, solve problems, make sacrifices. These combinations of words sound natural in English. For example, my dad always keeps his promises. My father set a good example for me. My dad helped build my confidence. Now let's talk about memories. Memory, childhood, moment, experience, story, tradition, celebration, photograph, vacation, adventure. Many people remember special moments with their fathers. For example, I have many happy childhood memories. My father told wonderful stories. Our family vacation was unforgettable. Let's practice with a short conversation. What is your favorite memory with your dad? My favorite memory is when he taught me how to ride a bicycle. That's a very common answer. Here's another example. What did your father teach you? He taught me to work hard and never give up. Now let's learn some useful phrases. Look up to, take care of, grow up, spend time with, learn from, count on, get along with, be proud of, thank for, appreciate. Let's understand these phrases. Look up to means admire. I look up to my father. Take care of means protect or help. My dad takes care of our family. Count on means depend on. I can count on my father. Be proud of means feel happy about someone's achievements. My father is proud of me. Now let's learn words related to support. Support, encouragement, confidence, motivation, strength, comfort, protection, security, understanding, friendship. Many fathers provide emotional support. For example, my dad gave me confidence before my interview. My father always encouraged me to follow my dreams. Let's discuss formal and informal language. Informal, dad, daddy, dads, my old man. Formal, father, parent, guardian. In everyday conversation, most people say dad. In formal writing, father may sound more appropriate. For example, my dad is amazing. That's casual and natural. My father has always been an important influence in my life. That sounds more formal. Now let's learn some Father's Day vocabulary related to gifts. Gift, present, card, message, celebration, dinner, cake, surprise, party, gathering. People often celebrate Father's Day with these things. For example, I bought my dad a gift. We had a family dinner. I wrote a Father's Day card. Here's another question for you. Have you ever given your father a Father's Day gift? What was it? Write your answer in the comments using English. Now let's learn vocabulary connected with work and effort. Effort, determination, persistence, discipline, commitment. achievement, success, goal, career, future. Many fathers encourage these values. For example, my father taught me discipline. My dad always encouraged me to pursue my goals. Let's practice some complete sentences. My father taught me honesty. My dad supports my dreams. I appreciate everything my father has done for me. My father is one of my biggest inspirations. Notice the word inspiration. An inspiration is someone who motivates you. Many people describe their fathers as inspirations. Now let's learn a few more useful words. Mentor, leader, coach, helper, friend, partner, supporter, motivator, teacher, hero. Many children call their fathers heroes. For example, my dad is my hero. My father has always been my mentor. Let's talk about appreciation. Appreciate, thankful, grateful, respectful, blessed, lucky, fortunate. These words are common in Father's Day messages. For example, I'm grateful for my father's support. I feel lucky to have such a caring dad. Let's do a quick speaking exercise. Repeat after yourself. My father is kind and supportive. My dad taught me valuable lessons. I appreciate everything he does for our family. Excellent. The more you speak aloud, the more confident you become. Before we finish this section, let's review some of today's vocabulary. Hardworking, dedicated, wise, reliable, generous, advice, wisdom, guidance, memory, childhood, tradition, experience, look up to, count on, support, encouragement, confidence, motivation, gift, celebration, hero, mentor, leader, inspiration, grateful. Wonderful work. You've learned many useful words that native English speakers often use when talking about fathers, family memories, and appreciation. In the next section, we'll learn even more practical Father's Day vocabulary, including everyday situations, common expressions, natural conversations, and useful phrases that will help your English sound more fluent and natural. We're going to complete our Father's Day vocabulary lesson by learning more useful words, avoiding common mistakes, practicing real English, and reviewing everything we've learned.